Okay, I'm now going to attempt question 2 from the additional maths paper from 2015. As you can see, it's about completing a square. Okay, by completing the square, find the value of x when x squared plus 14x plus 9 has its minimum value. You must show your working. So the first thing you have to do is write a pair of brackets like that, squared. X goes in there, and when we square that bracket, that's how you get your x squared. Now the number that goes in there with x is always half the coefficient of x, which is plus 14 there, so half of that is plus 7. Now when we expand this, we always end up with an extra value of this squared, so I'm going to have to subtract 7 squared to counterbalance that extra 7 squared there. And I have the plus 9 from the original expression to put on the end. And then we combine these two into one number. So I have minus 49 plus 9. Be careful here, minus 7 squared is minus 49. You're not squaring the minus, you're only squaring the 7. If it was minus 7 in brackets, all squared, then it would be plus 49. And when you combine those two numbers, you get minus 40. Now the value of x that will make this into a minimum expression is the value of x in there such that it makes this 0, because that's the smallest this x plus 7 all squared can be, is equal to 0. You can't make it negative because of the squaring outside. So any negative value, if you put a negative value of x in there, a lot smaller than 7, say minus 10, yes, you'll get minus 3, but then when you square it, you'll have a positive value. So the smallest value that x plus 7 all squared can be is 0. And the value of x that will make this 0 is minus 7. Because we want minus 7 plus 7 is 0, and obviously 0 squared is 0. So the value of x is minus 7. Find the value of x when x squared plus 14x plus 9 has its minimum value. And the minimum value is the number on the end. Because once you make this 0, once you put x equal to minus 7 in, that becomes 0, leaving behind minus 40. And that's why it's 1 mark, because that's all it is.